Starting a digital marketing LLC can feel like setting off on a new adventure. You're not just launching a business, you're creating something that reflects your passion for digital marketing. Today, we're going to chat about how to get that LLC up and running smoothly. So why set up a digital marketing LLC in the first place? Well, it's like giving your business a suit of armor. An LLC helps protect your personal assets from any business-related debts or liabilities. Plus, it adds a bit of credibility when you're pitching to clients or working with partners. Here's another big advantage for digital marketers. Forming an LLC makes it easier to sign contracts, manage client agreements, and protect your creative work. Whether you're building websites, managing ad campaigns, or designing logos, your content and intellectual property are valuable assets. Having an LLC can help safeguard your ownership rights and make it easier to enter into professional partnerships or client retainers with confidence. First, you'll want to pick a unique name for your LLC. Think of it as your brand's first impression. Make sure it's catchy, memorable, and not already taken. Once you've got the perfect name, it's time to get it registered. This is where legalregistration.com can really save you a headache. We handle the paperwork so you can focus on the fun parts of your business. Next up, you'll need an operating agreement. Think of this as the rule book for your business. It outlines how things are run and what happens if there's a disagreement. Even if you're a one-person show, having this on record can help keep things clear and professional. Don't forget about the EIN, or Employer Identification Number. It's like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for taxes, opening a bank account, or hiring employees. Getting one is free and straightforward, but if you want to skip the hassle, legalregistration.com can take care of it for you. Think about where you'll be operating to. Each state has its own rules for LLCs, so make sure you're in the loop. Whether you're in California or Texas, knowing your local laws is key to smooth sailing. Finally, set up a business bank account. This might sound like a boring step, but it's super important. Keeping your business and personal finances separate will save you a mountain of stress down the line. And there you have it. Starting a digital marketing LLC is like setting up a solid foundation for your business dreams. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep learning, keep growing, and don't hesitate to lean on experts like legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 to help with the heavy lifting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Good luck on your digital marketing journey.